Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix lag in CapCut on PC. Let's get started. When you're experiencing lag while playing your edits in CapCut, here's how you can fix it. First, click on the three lines under the player. Then, navigate to Preview Quality and change it to Performance Priority. This setting prioritizes playback smoothness while watching your video. Now, that's not the only thing. Click anywhere on the timeline where there's no video or text, just in the gray area. You'll see the project settings here, which you can modify. Let's do that. Now, navigate to Performance and turn on the proxy. Enabling the proxy will speed up editing, and video quality won't be affected. So let's turn that on. Then, select a resolution. I recommend choosing the lowest one available to you. For me, it's 540p. Wondering what this does? Essentially, it renders your video playback at a lower resolution to prevent lag. And remember, this doesn't affect the final result. Next, click on Save. When you export your video after editing, it won't come out in 540p. It will still be in the high resolution you originally intended. This lower resolution is just temporary to prevent lag while using CapCut. And that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.